Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to create group on Telegram app. One of the most important features on Telegram app is to have access to create more than 200,000 contacts on group. Well, let's start and see how can we do that. First, click on Telegram app icon. After that, press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top left. Click on New Group. Select the contact which you want to add it to your group, like this. After that, press on this sign. Enter group name here. Let's write LinkedIn. Click on this icon to set image for your group. Let's select this image. You can fit image by these tools below. After that, press on this sign. Now we set image to your group. Click on this sign. Now we already create a group. Here we reach the end of the video. In this video we explain how to create group on Telegram app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.